This is a common mistake I see in our shop regularly when somebody installs a catch can. On the LS engines, on the back of the driver's side valve cover will be a vent tube, and there's usually one on the front passenger side into the intake. The dirty side is the back side of the motor where all the vapors make their way up to the back, and then the clean side is where it's going into the intake. But I see very frequently going from intake to intake, or from the front of the valve cover on some of the GM trucks that have it up here going into the intake. But that won't extract any of the things you're trying to extract from the oil vapors into the catch can. So simply the tube, that's the plastic tube that makes its bend, I just cut this tube here, and this is the inlet side and this is the outlet side. And this is a cheap Amazon catch can. There are a lot of very expensive ones, but they all do the same thing. It's not moving parts. But this is the Evil Energy catch can off of Amazon. Super cheap, super nice little insurance to gain, and it seemed to mount very nicely to the bolt on the front of the head here. And I just flipped the bracket. I haven't zip tied this to it yet, but to the harness to keep it from rubbing, but it's in place, and that's the right way to do it.